Hey guys, Tony here. Currently taking a break from running. A lot of you guys asked for a Blackberry, kind of not necessarily a TA, but I will be just looking at the naked chart here, just to kind of see what's going on. As some of you guys know, I did buy a bunch of September, what is it called? A bunch of September Blackberry calls. How much did I buy them for? I spent around $310 and I made a little bit over $1,000. So I did like a 300% gain on these, and I basically sold out of all of my Blackberry calls. And this basically nulls the loss that I took on AMC puts. So right now I'm basically like a break even from my AMC puts and what I made with my Blackberry calls. I do think my price target for Blackberry is recent highs of $25 by September. That's why I bought September calls. If I am not gonna buy right now unless we have some sort of dip, maybe towards the 13, maybe we retest highs of like $12. I think that's the only time that I would actually probably buy Blackberry again. Like I said, I do think there's a chance that we might come back, maybe retest like $14.50, like $14, maybe like $13. I think at those prices I will be going back into Blackberry calls, but again, they will not be until September. I think September 17th were the ones that I bought. So I bought September 17th, and I think I had calls for, I forgot what strike price I had, but they did like a 500% increase from like yesterday or like 2 days ago till now. And I basically sold everything right as we hit like around here, maybe $13-14 or so. But again, Blackberry price target is previous highs of $25, but it's not until September. So if I do go back in, I will be buying September calls for Blackberry for probably a strike of like $25. I'll see you guys later.